guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am actually just going to do a screen capture on a really good little website that I found as I was just tooling around, and this is definitely going to be a kind of like a little tutorial for content creators, people that want to put their YouTube video directly onto Facebook. So this is a program that is going to allow you to put and embed your YouTube video directly on Facebook, using your thumbnail as being a nice large display, not just a tiny little link with some description. This is going to allow you guys to generate more views directly through Facebook and grow organically so that you get a lot more views by posting your video on Facebook and then having people open up that link directly and having that link count as a view back onto YouTube without them having the necessitate actually jumping over to YouTube and leaving their Facebook app or their website. Okay, so let's get going. Again, this is just going to be really brief and we're going to get to it. So I have opened up on my YouTube through my video manager. I have selected this video. This is the video that I would like to embed into Facebook. Here is the video URL. So I am going to simply go ahead and highlight that and then do a Control C or a not Alt, but what do you call that? Option C on your Mac to copy that, and that is the URL that we are going to use. We are going to jump over to, well, let's jump over to my Facebook first. So here's my Facebook page, Life According to Maria. This is where I usually post all my videos and my content as it's coming out through YouTube. I've done one already here. This is through one of the other websites that I usually post. Here's another one, and yeah, I want to just put it up here somewhere, and I want to go ahead and embed it so that people can see and have a really nice thumbnail. What we're going to do is go over to this website, and this is called YT2FB.com, so YouTube2Facebook.com. It's a free website. You don't have to join or create an account or anything like that. All you have to do is paste your YouTube link in here, which I am about to do right now. Control V or Option V to paste. There you go. And it is going to process this. Now, this is how it would have looked if you go down here on Facebook, should you have done it the old-fashioned way of just posting your link and putting your link directly. This is how it's going to look like in your Facebook with this new URL. Okay, so what we're going to do is choose playback. I'm going to go ahead and just say playback, play video inside Facebook. And that's the link we want. We want to make sure that that is active. And then you're going to go ahead and create this link. And there it goes. There's the link that's now created from the original YouTube link. So you're going to go ahead and copy this by clicking on the copy button. And that has now been copied. And then go ahead and go back over here to your Facebook page. Here's my page. You're going to have to copy this link into your post. So I'm going to say something brief. I'm just going to say, for hair loss prevention, you might want to check out my YouTube video regarding this special shampoo. Great for both men and women. There you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a carriage return, a couple of carriage returns, and then I'm going to go Option V or Control V to paste that link in there and hit the return button. Now, for some reason, it puts two over here. It wants to put two thumbnails. I just uncheck that. I don't know if it's a little glitch in the program, but it always loads two. So I'm just going to say one. This is the picture I want. There is the full thumbnail. And let's see, newsfeed. Yeah, that's where I'm going to share it. I'm going to share it now. So I'm going to hit the share button, and we'll wait till it uploads. It's going to take a second here, and there it is. There's my little blurb, and then here's the original link if anybody wants to click on that link. But now when they click on this, it is going to come into a full, beautiful program here, and you can click on this. I don't know, just pulled that up. There you go. And that's it. It's going to go ahead and play right into this major button, its own dedicated button, and there it is. And that's all there is to it. And now you can share that out or watch it later or anything like that, and that's it. And then just click it one more time to basically stop the video play. So there it is in its own dedicated little button here, and it'll allow people to watch it in a nice format. It is going to count as a video click through YouTube, so you're going to get more engagement off of your Facebook page. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to here. So just to show you again, there it is, and it looks a lot better than your normal thumbnail would look like in Facebook. It's just going to put more eyeballs on this thumbnail. So more eyeballs mean more interest, and more interest means more click-through, and more click-through means more views for everybody. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video to support me. And share this to any other content creator that might need to know about it. I would certainly appreciate that. And that's it. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.